I'm from Green Shorts, and this morning I want to show you the best thing to do with your paper documents that you want to have not go in the trash or not just go in the recycling intact because they perhaps contain secure information. And that's document shredding. I'm here at a local event in my community. It's all about recycling and reuse. We're working with the vendor to recondition paint today. We're also taking old TVs, scrap metal, tires, things like that. It's part of the Great American Cleanup, which is an event hosted around the nation by the Keep America Beautiful Foundation. So I'm gonna take my documents over there to the truck you can see behind me and watch them be securely shredded. So it was just that easy. Hand over my box of documents, they're shredded, and then that paper is actually gonna be recycled, so that's a good thing. Recycling your sensitive documents. That's just another easy way to be green. At Green Shorts, we tell these stories because we believe that we all have to work together toward a greener future. Our mission is to help you see green so you can be green and save a little green. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video to help spread the message. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe for new videos every Saturday.